In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord no route RTC connecting problem. If you're trying to join a voice call in Discord and you see the no route or RTC connecting message, it means Discord is having trouble creating a stable path to the voice server. Even if your internet appears to be working for browsing or streaming, this specific connection can still fail. So let's walk through reliable fixes in a clear order. First, if possible, restart your router. Power it off, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and power it back on. This refreshes your connection with your internet provider and often clears up routing hiccups that cause the RTC message. If you've already done this, or you don't have access to the router, move on to restarting Discord. To restart Discord completely, open your system tray near the clock on your taskbar. Find the Discord icon, right-click it, and select Quit Discord. Give it a few seconds to close fully, then open Discord again. This forces the app to reinitialize its voice connection and can quickly resolve temporary glitches. Next, try changing the region of the voice channel you're joining. If you have permissions for that channel, click the gear icon for the voice channel settings and select a different region. Sometimes the default region is experiencing issues or is simply farther from you, and switching to a nearby region can immediately fix the root problem. If you don't have permission to adjust it, you can ask a server moderator to try a different region for testing. If the problem continues, it may be related to DNS or your network path. Virtual private networks can affect how your traffic is routed, so try disabling your VPN if one is running. If the issue started when a VPN disconnected or changed servers, re-enable it or switch to another VPN location to reset the route. Give Discord a moment after each change to attempt a new connection. Lastly, flush your DNS. This clears outdated address records that can send Discord to the wrong place. Open Command Prompt and run it as an administrator. In the window that appears, type apconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, relaunch Discord and try joining the voice channel again. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to resolve the no route or RTC connecting error and get back to your call without interruptions.